Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring Python 3.10 or newer is installed and on your path so VS Code detects it. Once done, install Visual Studio Code and the official Python extension. Make a project folder and create a virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv, activate it in your shell so dependencies stay isolated. Then open the folder in VS Code and confirm the bottom right interpreter shows the venv Python. This starts a reproducible, manageable setup. Next, you configure linters, formatter, and the debugger so coding flows. In the command palette, pick the venv interpreter and enable terminal auto activation so you never forget to activate. Install tools like Pylint or Flake 8+ Black and set them in settings. JSON for formatting on save. Create or update launch. JSON to include a debug configuration for current file, module, or PyTest. Once configured, run and step through code to verify breakpoints, variable inspection, and integrated console behavior. To finish, persist settings by adding a VS Code folder with settings. JSON and launch. JSON and update. Git ignore to exclude. Venv and IDE caches. Make sure you configure the Test Explorer to use PyTest or Unitest so tests appear and run from the UI. If VS Code does not detect the interpreter or extensions misbehave, reload the window, restart VS Code, or reinstall the Python extension. Check path and virtual environment activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.